Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Grammarly and update your LinkedIn writing workflow, full guide step by step. To uninstall Grammarly from your device, start by navigating to your computer's settings. On Windows, click on the Start menu and select Settings. From there, go to Apps and choose Apps and Features. Scroll down the list until you find Grammarly. Click on it and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation process. If you're using a Mac, open Finder and go to Application. Right-click on it and choose Move to Trash. Next, empty your trash to complete the uninstallation. After removing Grammarly, turn your attention to updating your LinkedIn writing workflow. Begin by identifying the common errors you made while using Grammarly. This will help you understand the areas you need to focus on. Next, refresh your writing skills by reviewing basic grammar and style guides. Familiarize yourself with LinkedIn best practices for writing professional posts and articles. Consider creating a checklist of elements to include in every LinkedIn piece. This might encompass clarity, professionalism, and engagement. Practice writing regularly to build and refine your skills. You can also join writing groups or forums to gain feedback on your work. Keep a list of common phrases or vocabulary that resonate well in your industry. Lastly, set aside time to read high-quality LinkedIn posts to observe different writing styles. Apply what you learn to enhance your own writing on the platform. With consistent practice, you'll notice improvements in your LinkedIn writing workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.